Hi there. Today's practice is about the awareness of sound. A little bit about the practice of mindfulness. Consider that the practice of mindfulness is simply paying attention to the way things are right now. So we're alive and awake in this moment. We're not existing in the past. We're not looking forward to the future. We are reminding ourselves to be present with the here and now. And the next little layer of that is to be present, but in a non-judgmental way. That's a tough one. Non-judgmental. And we come back to that kindness of heart, that regardless of what is coming to us or coming up through us, that we sit back and offer ourselves the role of the observer. So we're simply watching what is arising in both our inner and outer landscape and not attaching to it, letting ourselves be non-judgmental and just cultivating awareness of it's like this right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and find a comfortable position. So sitting comfortably in an alert and aware posture. And let that be however works for you. Some of us might want to lean against the back of a wall. Some of us might feel a little bit more alert and awake if we're slightly leaning forward in our chair, feet are on the ground. Some of us may want to sit cross-legged. So take these next few moments to find that place for yourself. And before we start, can you give yourself the sweetness of a smile? And just let that kind of open the heart, soften your edges. And then let's take a few cleansing breaths. So first, just take a full breath in. Open your mouth, let the breath come out. We're going to do that twice more. Each time you find the breath, feel yourself lengthening. As you exhale, let that be the sense of settling. One more time, inhaling. Maybe this time with the out breath, let your gaze soften downward, or perhaps it even closes the eyes. And then give yourself some time to arrive. Take these next few moments and just let that sense of settling come over you. Make the little adjustments, remove the distractions. And just enjoy right now just listening to the sound of your breath. Notice its quality. Notice if you're breathing through the nose or the mouth. Beautiful. And now let your ears open. Eyes stay nice and soft. And can you allow yourself to simply listen? Notice around you the subtle or maybe the abrupt nature of sound. Without attaching to the sound, just simply listen and observe. And let sound be your anchor. So the anchor is the place you return to when the mind tends to want to get your attention. So just return back to listening. Just simply listening, not creating a story, not following the sound, just allowing it to be. And the sounds might be outside of you, or the sounds might be something within you. offer yourself some ease in your breath. So reconnect with the breath. Hear it, feel it, drawing it in. As you exhale again, soften into your seat. And then continue listening to whatever is around you. It could be someone's voice. It could be the breeze. It could be a bird. Maybe some children giggling. Let's just listen for a few more moments. Just finding comfort in the simplicity of listening. Not anticipating what's coming next. Just being right here with sound. I'm going to ring a singing bowl in a few moments. And I want you to see if you can listen to the sound until it disappears. Let's take 3 cleansing breaths. So inhale. Exhale, open the mouth. Twice more. Inhale. Exhale, soften. Release. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Let the gaze slowly open, maybe even begin to rise up. So I thank you for your practice, for joining me. Remember, digestible nuggets. And a little bit each day goes a long way. Let's have that be our affirmation, all right? So for a few moments each day, just see if you can pause and just listen to what's around you, just for a simple practice of awareness. All right, thank you so much. Take good care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video.